Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to connect Gmail to PandaDoc. Alright, basically we're trying to integrate these two apps. So to do so, just gotta log into your PandaDoc account, and once done, go ahead over to the left panel and hover your mouse onto settings. Okay, once done, as you can see here, we have integrations. Just click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, just scroll down until you find this section, collaboration and more. Okay, as you can see, we have Google Workspace, and inside the Google Workspace you have the Gmail. So just go ahead and click on it. Now click on install, and once done, just go ahead and log in with your Google account. As you can see here, I don't know why this is happening, but that's basically how you connect Gmail to PandaDoc. Okay, another way to connect the two is by using a website that is called Zapier. Okay, if you have this same issue as mine, you can go ahead and connect this two easily. Okay, go to zapier.com, create your account, then go ahead and click on create. Click on Zaps. Now select a trigger. It could be a PandaDoc or Gmail. Okay, for example, trigger event would be Gmail. Gmail right here. Select Gmail, then choose a trigger event. Okay, maybe a new email from Gmail. Connect your account or your Gmail account. Connect or continue. Select all, give all the necessary permission, then go ahead and go to action. Okay, in here, I'm going to be using PandaDoc. Click on PandaDoc, connect your PandaDoc account, wait for the pop-up to load, authorize. Okay, once done, just go ahead and select an action event. Okay, whenever there's a new email from Gmail, PandaDoc will automatically create a document. Okay, either create a document from a template or create or update a contact. You have plenty of options right here, but just for this example, I'm going to be using create or update a contact. Again, how this works, whenever this trigger event happens, okay, once this is online, again, whenever there's a new email, PandaDoc right here will automatically create or update a contact. Okay, so just hit on continue. Add an email right here for testing. I'm going to go ahead and add in my email or secondary email. Add in the first name, maybe Ryan, Christian, company, answer, ASAP, like so, 1111. Hit on continue and just test. We got a check mark. It's good to go. Tap away or close it. Now, configure, test, continue, test. Select a record. Continue, continue. Yep. All right. Once that's done, once everything is okay, you can now go ahead and hit on publish. And again, it will go online. You can now go ahead and close the Zapier website. And again, automatically, whenever there's a new email from Gmail, PandaDoc will create or update contact. Okay, that's basically it. And when we go check it out to our PandaDoc right here, we should be able to receive a new contact. Okay, there you go. And that's basically how you connect Gmail to PandaDoc. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.